Hey everyone, welcome back. Is eFootball playing matches completely silent with no crowd noise or commentary at all? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and check the physical mute switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure that it isn't flipped to silent mode. And then use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned all the way up. Next, go to settings and go to Bluetooth inside settings and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not usually actually using. Since your audio can silently get routed there is instead of your phone speaker, tap the eye next to any connected device and tap disconnected if needed. First, close the eFootball app from your recent app list and reopen it fresh, since a stock audio session often clears on a relaunch. If sound is still missing, then go to your settings, go to focus mode inside settings and confirm do not disturb isn't silencing app sounds. Finally, restart your iPhone completely to clear any deeper audio session conflict, and that's it. Check your mute switch and volume, disconnect straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen and restart if needed. This is all you gotta do to get your sound back, and that's it. Subscribe.